Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear cooking enthusiasts and kitchen creators, tuning in. Great veg pulao starts with the right measurements. One small mistake can change the flavor and texture of the entire dish. Here's the Veg Pulao recipe and serving calculator from Youthbuddy. Veg Pulao is a fragrant Indian one-pot rice dish made with basmati rice, fresh vegetables, aromatic whole spices, herbs, and ghee or oil. It's a favorite choice for lunch boxes, family meals, parties, and festive occasion. This calculator makes ingredient scaling quick, accurate, and effortless. Enter the number of persons, and every ingredient is automatically adjusted to match your selected serving size. Choose your preferred measurement units in either cups and spoons or grams and milliliters. Personalize your recipe by selecting optional add-ons like potatoes, raisins, mint leaves, coriander leaves, cashews, or star anise based on your preference. Need the ingredients or recipe later? Use the Copy Ingredients option to save the ingredient list instantly, or choose Print Recipe for a neatly formatted copy. Right below the calculator, you'll find complete step-by-step preparation instructions, making it easy to cook from start to finish. Wash the basmati rice until the water runs clear, soak it for 20 to 30 minutes, then drain it completely before cooking. For light and separate rice grains, follow the soaking guidance and the recommended rice-to-water ratio provided in the calculator. Heat oil or ghee, fry the cashews until golden, then sauté cumin, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, pepper, and star anise until aromatic. Cook the onions until lightly golden, add ginger garlic paste, green chili, and vegetables, then mix in fresh mint and coriander leaves. Add the soaked rice, pour in hot water with salt, then pressure cook for one whistle or cook covered on low flame for 15 to 18 minutes. Allow the pulao to rest for 5 minutes before gently fluffing it with a fork, then garnish with fried cashews and fresh coriander leaves. From preparation to serving, the entire recipe takes about 40 minutes, making it an excellent choice for both everyday meals and special occasion. Serve hot with raita, vegetable kurma, pickle, or crispy papad for a wholesome and satisfying meal. The page also includes an estimated nutrition breakdown with calories, carbohydrates, protein, fat, and fiber for every serving, along with practical cooking notes for consistently great results. With accurate measurements and easy-to-follow preparation steps, this recipe and calculator helps you cook delicious veg pulao with confidence every time. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.